Welcome to the bulletin. 3 new Isiolo County Executive Committee members yesterday took oath of office to serve in Governor Abdi Guyo's cabinet following a move by the governor to restructure his government after surviving an impeachment plot, where he fired those deemed as disloyal while he battled to remain in office. The new CECM's Lukman Ahmed Abdi, who now takes up the Finance and Economic Planning docket, Hussein Jirmo Katello, who becomes CEC for Lands, Transport, Public Works, Housing, Urban Development and Municipal Services, as well as Guracha Kikuyu Sarite, who takes up the Water, Energy, Environment, Climate Change, Mining and National Natural Resources docket, were sworn in just a day after they were vetted and approved by the County Assembly Committee on Selection and Appointments. Isiolo residents hailed the inclusion of the youthful members in cabinet, noting that young people have always lamented being left out of government, and it was now time for them to deliver. The leaders made an appeal to Isiolo residents to observe peaceful coexistence and shun attempts at political chaos.
Inaweza badilisha Isiolo kwa kutenda akili ambayo inaenda mbele na kuongeza mzee kama Guracha, kuongeza mawaziri. Nafurahi sana kujanganya wazee na vijana pamoja.
Wale watu walipewa hiyo nafasi sio watu moja, ni kabila tofauti ambayo wanaishi hapa. Nimeangalia ile wa kwanza, nimeona hii na inamaanisha kwamba ni balance amefanya. Kila kabila wamepewa nafasi. Sipokuwa nafasi ni kidogo na watu ni wengi, huwezi peana kila mtu kitu. Unapeana tu kiasi huko naye. Na hiyo kiasi amebalance vizuri. Natarajia wataendelea vizuri na Isiolo itaendelea mbele.
Over 400 youth from poor families in Busia County are set to